Alright, so box cover. We're there with Clean Skin, Naomi Cowan. Naomi, how are you doing? Lost in Time Festival.
Lost in time. We never lost in it, but we're always in time.
I'm lost in Aroma right now.
Don't it?
What go on now? Naomi,
Walk on.
I tell people, you know, like Naomi is probably like the best smelling woman in Jamaica right now. Might be the Caribbean, might be the world. What is this we're getting right now?
This is under development, my Paradise Plum perfume that you're smelling.
Yo,
So Berry, is you inspire me, you know?
Wow.
Let me tell you, so a couple years ago, you interviewed me and you're like, "Oh, what up? You smell like when Jesus flatulate." That's exactly what you said.
What go on, Naomi?
Walk on,
That's what I said a while ago, like she smell really good. Like I'm gonna try to describe. Alright, picture lavender. Picture the best cupcake you ever see. Picture anything will look good and attach a smell to it. That is what, like picture lipstick, bubble gum, everything is like, she smell like something where you expect from heaven. You know, like if you think like Jesus, when Jesus flatulate, this is a way you expect, like something just roses. It's like it really good.
Thank you.
It's like
That's exactly what you said. And then you said you smell like cupcake mixed with Jesus and vanilla, and and I just made I made my own perfume that night, and I said, boy, you know, I just need to make one.
Look at me
So
inspiring.
you
I
really
love that.
inspired it, seriously, and I've been researching for a couple years.
Wow, this is it.
This is it.
People, I honestly, you see
So
technology.
when the company goes public, you definitely will get like first buy on the shares, when the IPO, all of that stuff.
Yeah, man. You see,
Special
people,
price.
I'm so sorry that you're not here to really just take in this fragrance. But come here and tell you know how long I try to place it. You come around me and I say, what is this? Feel like something's familiar. And then when you say Plum, I say, yeah, man, that is it.
Yeah. So for the ladies,
This is nice.
you like it?
This is
a man
nice.
catcher?
Maybe I could have been like I do like a dirty smell or something. I don't know what, like a berry smell.
I'm gonna go with berry.
Yeah,
We're
berry,
not
not the
gonna say
dirty,
We'll call
yeah.
it Paradise Berry, or you know, there's Paradise Plum and
berry
Paradise
plum,
Berry.
something.
Yeah.
Could have gone. My
for the-
smell
for
and
the-
your smell
yeah.
combined.
See there?
You get me? No, so talk to us about like your whole set list now. Because
Did you enjoy it?
I did enjoy it. First of all, we just enjoy how you look. I just
Okay.
like something about you just futuristic. Like you're never in
Supernova.
2023.
No.
You're always like year 3000. You had on some Fergie Black Eyed Peas.
Yeah, man.
futuristic.
Yeah. We're always on another galaxy, you know. You know it, girl.
So first of all, you're going to perform
You
now.
always
Like,
let me laugh.
what the plan when they say, all right, more something for wear? Like, you have a color, you have a theme.
I just knew how I wanted to feel. More than anything, I think about what I want to feel when I'm performing, and I want it to feel very relaxed. I want it to feel like almost like a superhero too. That's why I have the cape.
Yeah.
Right, and then also because my last project is called Stargirl, which in a way is like my little inside superhero.
And this embodies that.
Exactly, that's exactly what it was about.
So speaking about
so
that,
big
like
Stevie who I collaborated with.
Sally?
To put this
Oh, okay,
together.
nice.
Yes,
Nice.
Stevie, big up yourself.
All right, so speaking about if you were a superhero, what power you don't want?
Oh my goodness.
You must
I
know
would
this
say
already.
no, man. I think about it, but also there's so many I want.
Yeah.
Superpower. I would say.
But always
What's that one? I would like to be able to teletransport, like to appear in different places at different times.
Okay, just like that. Say just reach our Paris right now.
Yeah,
like
just like, oh my God, I feel like, you know, going for a swim. All right, my G. Just walk in front of me.
Yeah, just like I just saw it go.
With the cabbage
Walk around,
bag.
please. Doing like an interview, so
the
please. When you can't walk behind me. Yeah, man, when you can't do that. Yeah, so all right, no. So I always feel like I don't want to pause for like read mine.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
I was thinking that one too.
Okay, so you don't want to host.
Huh?
You don't want to host stuff like pause.
Yeah, but teletransportation I think would be great. I definitely think, because the world is such a beautiful place, and to just be able to appear, boom, bam, bam, would be powerful.
Well, I know, I did the interview and I can't concentrate because that plum smell, that Paradise Plum smell, like it is everything.
Mesmerizing.
Yeah.
Tantalizing.
Oh wow! So, what's your commercial?
Hypnotizing. Inspiring.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Like, why I can't find my big word them now? Like, I know the word them in more than 5 syllables, and it is failing me right now, Naomi.
It's okay, because that means you're at a loss for words, and you're lost in time.
Did
you enjoy the performance?
I did enjoy the performance.
I'm interviewing you now.
So when I didn't want to say no, like, what was it now? Come here, talk about somebody who's a drunk, bro. Who is it that hurt you? Who broke your heart? Who is that piece of mess that make you have to go write song and talk about your pain on stage? Okay, and put in the clip where you were pouring out your heart and soul.
Adele it.
Oh, yeah, that's a go through your Adele situation.
Yeah, man.
No, man, but so which person that have them faculties in check could have just like mess up an opportunity to like treat you like the queen that you are, Naomi?
You know what I think? I give you my honest opinion. Hurt people.
Oh.
And we always project what's happening inside. So we're not taking it personal. We just turn it into a song. That's exactly why I love making music.
Taylor Swift energy.
Exactly. You don't have to hate on anybody. You can just
Yeah.
release it into words, into song, into music, and move on with your life and just keep your light shining. That's my mission.
So you have that energy that's just like, never mind, I'll find someone like you.
I don't know if I want someone like them. Because you don't want to repeat the same thing.
Okay, yeah, man.
No, it's just never mind. It's just more of like, never mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
And another part of your performance highlight is when you brought in two lovely ladies on stage, Joby J and Shanique Marie. Shanique and Joby J, can come over please, like on this side. Yes. Come on, talk to them to come like when we see the new faces them in the industry now. All right. So Naomi, tell me like how you actually met these lovely ladies.
Joby J, I met through music. I don't even know when I really meet you, but I just knew of her as an upcoming singer, photographer, but most as a singer. And also just a really creative person. I just love the way that she puts her visuals together, the way she styles herself. Like I see the effort she puts into her entire being, and I just respect that so much. Shanique, I've known, well, I would say my idea, my knee, but she's still there, my knee. Me know her from she's this height, and she's still this height.
She just need a platform shoes like you, man. She just need one of them.
She have on a
okay, I understand.
But I've known Shans for as long as I probably know myself. You know, so we grew up together, went to school together, and we all used to sing at school together and everything like that. So it's just a natural progression.
All right, so Shanique, you have any dirty one for them about Naomi?
No.
Like, because she can't just smell good all the time. Like, you have some little days when she might.
No, me never green.
Like never? Just like all the time. Come on, if me alone and buck up. Me wonder if me alone and buck her up on all her smell good days.
No, but if she never did smell good and me is her close friend, that means that me so everybody smell good. So
She's one of them friends that would have been like, knew me.
What
kind of should have come so? Should have said, what kind of deodorant? So no man. One thing what Shanique and I were at our schools, we were professional we're aestheticians. So if you had like a bump on your face, you could have come our salon, we could have come squeeze out the blackhead them and stuff. That was our thing.
I feel a reality show happening here.
And then like all when school events I keep, we have makeup dance and we have choreograph.
Dance and sing and all of that stuff.
I feel like we're gonna go through some little Disney style, some little cheetah girls type of stuff.
Yeah.
I feel like we're the own Disney princess. Oh wow. Now Joby. Joby, right? Yes. Joby. Alright, so Joby J, talk to me. Come and see about the place, and I know that you are making strides in your career and stuff like that. Come and see about the place, and I really like your style, like it's very different. Talk to us about your musical journey and how it has been for you.
You know, I'm pretty new. I'm still kind of in my baby phase, but it's really been a good journey. Like, you know, I think I came into the creative space and people kind of already knew me as a photographer. So people had like a lot of curiosity. They're just like, Joby can sing. So, you know, when I started, people were just like, okay. So I've just been putting myself out there, doing what I can, connecting with other amazing artists like these nice, clean skin ladies right here. And the support has been so good from fellow artists, from fans, from supporters. So, you know, I just do my thing and hope, say, you know, take off and sing. So yeah, it's been good.
Nice meeting you. No, Shanique Marie.
Shanique Marie.
No, the last name. I feel like you're supposed to own one shop. Marie, sir.
I get that all the time. Some people just cut it short, Marie.
Yeah. So it's a hyphenated like name.
No. So my name is actually Shanique Jeanette Marie.
Oh.
Right. But then I dropped the Jeanette and just left Shanique Marie. So
talk to me about your music and stuff.
All right. So I mean, I'm no stranger to Europe, UK. And I'm a part of a group called Equinox. So if you've heard of Equinox, I am the lead vocalist for that group. Yeah, man. So we've been touring.
So you're new to this, you're true to this.
But true to this, my band. Hey, let me tell you, say I was born on a stage. My mother did not have me at University of the West Indies. She actually had me on a music stage and with a mic, and the mic came out. When I came out, the mic came out. Right, everything. So, but right now, I'm really trying to explore expanding my brand here in Jamaica, making more of a mark of myself in Jamaica. So the people in the industry know who Shanique Marie is, but it's time to get the country at large, not just overseas.
No man here speak like a Miss Jamaica. No, can you just plug your social media for me, please? So Joby J.
Joby J Music, Joby Music everywhere, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. Follow me, yeah.
At Shanique Marie, let me spell it so you don't look up Marie.
Yes.
At SHANIQUEMARIE on all platforms as well.
I know me saying we're going all over.
Yeah. You know that.
All over. I just make sure.
I joke.
Alright, so before me leave now, I just want to ask you, what's your favorite Protege song?
Oh, same song.
Oh, okay. Alright. Let me see now, put somebody on the spot.
It's too, no, I don't, Lord, no, me not.
Come on, just sing peace, man.
Come back to me.
Yeah.
I'ma do my thing like this. Rock to the rhythm like this.
No man, come here, watch here. Look who could come from. What is throw with Steve Harvey? What a show. Family Feud, watch you now.
Oh yes, that is my favorite song because that was my favorite song. On a sudden flight. Wow, wait, please do not put us on here.
Alright, well that is it for this random interview. Take care, ladies. And yeah man, just let me know when there's something there like ready for us like launch.
Distribution.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
I'll get to make a men's version and then you could be the first one. You know
berry,
like how Rihanna had ASAP?
Yeah.
Will you be the ASAP to my for my line?
Listen, that can go and become.
Are you skin clean? Look
hold
at
on man, may I think about for have something coming out soon too, you know.
Because if you do like, you know, like a little
but hold on man.
I remember Sam have the hair look already.
Yeah,
no,
wait.
but hold on, no man, I tell you, so something that come here go work on my lingerie line.
Oh my God.
And it's gonna name Dutty Draws.
Oh, I have merch called Dutty Shirt. So we
Shit,
could
look,
definitely
watch
collaborate.
here.
We could
Watch
collaborate.
here.
Dutty Shirt.
Watch here.
And then the
Dutty
Dutty
Draws.
Draws.
Paradise Plum.
everything.
Yeah man, it's a come on Joby. You have to drop in something now. What you go? You have to try.
Dutty Jewels. Dutty Jewels.
Yes.
Dutty Jewels.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
You need a jewel.
Yeah, Jewel. Oh, for the J. See there.
I would say not the drawers.
Oh.
Maybe berry undies. Undy berries.
Yes,
Those
like
are cute.
edibles. Edible underwear.
You know what? This
Edible,
done.
edible.
Not edible underwear. That is it. Thank you so much for this interview. Ladies, take care.
Make you like your body fit and walk over me. I'm not a time for you to treat her.